Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page, not in today's newspaper on Monday. No, in today's newspaper, Monday, February the 26th, 2024. We have no extra puzzles, no additional, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. The weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, February the 24th, 25th, 2024. And in this puzzle page, I've already solved one puzzle, the 2-star Sudoku. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. Should be a 0 stars. Anyway, we have one puzzle left in this puzzle page, the binary, and we have also 3 puzzles in the additional. Alright, I will continue with this one. The binary puzzle number 8079. 8079. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the O's. There's a lot of double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 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 And double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. Between 2 1's comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes in O. Between 2 1's comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, then O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I need to write here. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot place number 5 here, the 5th O. Otherwise, we have 3 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, here we have 4 1's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be a no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Still, we have here 4 1's. If I place number 5 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be a no. Alright. Then, then 4 O's we have here in the second row. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 1's in a row in this second row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Still having here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, the fifth O. Then we have here 3 ones in a row in this row. Second row, not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay, this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 6 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in the additional of the weekend edition. Until then, bye bye for now.